Hey there guys, I'm Imanshu and welcome to Filmora music video editing series, where I'm gonna teach you some amazing stuff. So in this episode, we're gonna learn this effect. Okay now, so once inside your Filmora, now go to the sample colors tab and then take this black gradient and put it into timeline. And now take your clip and put it after it. Now go to the transitions tab into the slideshow option and then take this raw split transition and put it between the clips. So now if I play, then it kind of gives us that cinematic music video opening kind of effect. You can also increase or decrease the transition duration to make it either faster or slower.
Turn my back, middle finger to it all. Yeah.
And now to do a cinematic close one, just simply put another black gradient at the end of the clip and then again go to the transition slideshow tab and this time take this raw merge transition. This will give it that music video closing kind of effect. So guys, in the next video, I will teach you how to create this music scribble video effect. So do like, share, subscribe and turn the notification bell to get notified when I upload this next video. And I will see you later.
We're gonna be just